WarsawJS.
Our really brave and generous first Lightning Talk speaker will be Oskar Korczak. Welcome him to the stage. You have 5 minutes, sir. Here you go.
Okay, so I'm gonna talk about porting JavaScript to TypeScript with ChatGPT. Let's imagine you have to port your React.js app into TypeScript, but there are a few caveats. You don't know any TypeScript, and you don't have much time, so obviously you're not gonna learn that, right? So this is the answer, obviously. We all use it, and Porter, this is the name of the project I chose for my project. And let me show you architecture of this Porter. So Porter is something that we have some JavaScript code, we put it into ChatGPT, and then we get some TypeScript, right? So it's pretty easy, but let's automate this, right? We don't want to copy and paste and whatever. So this is the first attempt. It's not much of a code. It's for every file in codebase, let's just prompt GPT to port the file and write the text to the file, right? So it's pretty easy, but there are some errors, right? It's not always super accurate. Produced TypeScript won't compile, and you're gonna have to copy and paste those errors into prompt again. So let's add it into our code, right? Let's handle the errors, and while we have any errors, let's prompt GPT to remove those errors, and then let the cycle repeat, right? But there was one weird thing when I was doing it, because when ChatGPT was asked to remove errors, he found out that this is that this is the easiest way. Because obviously no code is no errors, right? So we didn't want that. We didn't we didn't want to have some war criminal thing. So yeah, I noticed that I'm gonna need some tests, right? Because no code is no solution. So obviously I didn't have any tests because it's hobby project. So let's have a tester, right? We have untested code base, and how do we go from untested code base to, obviously, yeah, you're right. I would give you that JetBrains license, but I don't have authority to. So obviously there should be some tool to generalize solving complex tasks with ChatGPT. So there are a number of them. There's Baby AGI, there's AutoGPT, there's LangChain, and they are gaining popularity. I tried to use them, but they were at their infancy when I tried. So maybe they are better right now, but after some try and error, I ditched that, and I decided that we are not ready for full auto. So I settled on manual porting, so copying, pasting, compile, fix errors, make some tests, repeat. So there is an example with my chat, with ChatGPT about that cycle, but I don't think we have much time to do this. So as you see, my project is almost ported. It's like 11% JavaScript left. So hopefully, yeah, let's have some summary. ChatGPT is not ready to take my job, right? It's very helpful tool, but you gotta know how to use it. We shouldn't expect too much. So maybe someone already did it better than me, because long language models are moving really fast. And that's all. Thank you. If you want to contact me.
Bravo. Oskar.